Hello everybody, this is Barb and I'm here to show you a brief tutorial on how to make these lovely vintage flowers. It's very easy to make, quick and easy. You'll love making them. You'll get addicted like I am. That's all I do now is make flowers. And I want to thank my girlfriend Mary Vossi for showing me how to make them. Thank you, Mary. Okay, you can use these to embellish your books, your scrapbook pages, your journal pages, cards. So let me get started and show you how to make them. First, I use double-sided cardstock. That works very well. And I use die cuts, and I have some variable stamps here, punches, excuse me. Now I work on small projects, so it's hard to make these small flowers because they easily tear, but because I do a lot of small projects, I just take my time and work very carefully. This is my favorite die cut. I love using this on making the flowers. Okay, here I have some cut out or punched out and die cut flowers, and I'm just going to take a few and show you a big one. I'll show you how to do a small one. Those are difficult. And what I do is I have a spray bottle of water, and I go ahead and I spray them. Let the water absorb in them. Now for the small ones, I spray them only once, turn them over, put them in a drop of water there. That's enough for them. If they get too wet, too soggy, then I can't even unfold them. Then I have a paper towel and I pat it dry. Then I scrunch them up into like a little spit wad. And then you can I just let them sit here for a few minutes, and then when I'm done, I unfold them. Well, here is the small one. Now these I fold a little differently. I fold them in half, and then I fold them in half again. Can't scrunch them too much or they'll tear. I'll do this one the same way. Okay, then I just start unfolding them and I put them on my little baking rack here. Unfold them very carefully. There you go. Here's the next, oops. There's the next one. So far so good, didn't tear any. Now for the little small ones. And the little tiny one. So it takes about 2 hours to dry. You could use a heat gun. I just let them dry, and naturally and then I'm going to put that aside and pull out some flowers here. This is what they look like when they're dried. Nice. See that? I just love them. So I'm gonna pick these two two here. Maybe this one. I like that one. Okay, and I have done leaves. Same way, do leaves same way. You can attach them to your little flowers. That looks nice. I've also done stamping. I love script, so I stamp script on this. You can glitter it. You could do distress ink on them. So I distress the ends of them. And this one. And then all you need is some glue. And some buttons. So on this one, I think I am going to use that. That looks so pretty. Look how pretty that looks. And then this one. Yeah, I like that. I'm going with that. Okay, so you get your glue. A little bit of glue. There's one. Very lovely. And there's two. Pretty flowers. Aren't those just lovely? So that is my brief tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the tutorial. Any suggestions? I love suggestions. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.